होठ अंदर ले आओ, मारो बाइट होठ को.
Funny.
Right? Or is it funny? I'm funny.
Funny.
No. So what do you have to do? You have to do like this. No, I'm funny.
You can speak, you can talk, you can walk, you can do anything you ever want to do. You can do it. You have a good personality and you can achieve your goals.
बस यहाँ से देखो. अभी आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हो? एकदम यहीं से, यहाँ से बोलो. पेट. समझ रहे हैं? कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? कहाँ से? पेट से. What are the 3 reasons to love yourself?
You are so attractive, you are so attentive, you are so potential, you are so energetic, you are so friendly. Helping everyone, helping anyone.
ऐसे तुम लेजी सॉन्ग करके मत बोलो. Everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Charan Singh. Basically I come from district Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. Currently I live in New Delhi, Okhla. Right now I am working in a government sector.
What is today's session? Self gratitude. जितने लोग नए हैं उसमें क्या यूज करना है? जैसे आई एम वेरी गुड पर्सन, या आप अपने आई एम नहीं कहना चाहते तो यू बोलो. अब्दुल्ला लुक योरसेल्फ, खुद को देखो इन मिरर, आईने में. यू आर अ वेरी गुड पर्सन. तुम बड़े अच्छे आदमी हो. सॉरी, लड़के हो, शादी नहीं हुई ना. तो यू आर अ वेरी गुड पर्सन. तुम बड़े अच्छे लड़के हो. गुड बॉय. यू आर वेरी पॉजिटिव. लुक, यू आर कंप्लीटली फिट. तुम फिट हो फिजिकली, मेंटली, साइकोलॉजिकली, इमोशनली, फाइनेंशियली, इकोनॉमिकली, राइट, प्रैक्टिकली एंड स्पिरिचुअली, राइट, सोशली. तो आपको अपनी ही तारीफ, अपने ही ऊपर ग्रैटिट्यूड पे करना है. कहते हैं दूसरों की बस्तियां बनाने में निकला था, खुद की उजाड़ने के बाद. दूसरे के चेहरे को संवारने में निकला था, खुद के चेहरे को बिगाड़ने के बाद. दूसरी की दुनिया को सजाने निकला था, खुद की दुनिया उजाड़ने के बाद. आज भाई खुद की दुनिया बनाने है. यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन वर्ल्ड एंड यू हैव टू टॉक टू योरसेल्फ. यू हैव टू से टू योरसेल्फ, अब्दुल्ला, लुक एट योरसेल्फ. आई लव यू सो मच. हैव यू एवर स्पोकन इन योर एंटायर लाइफ? क्या आपने कभी अपनी जिंदगी में बोला I love myself so much? So ladies and gentlemen, now what you need to understand, you have to just, compliment yourself and praise yourself. You have to talk to yourself. I don't think that you have great or fluent English language, or you have that great English or deep English language, but whatever English you have, just, talk to yourself and say to yourself that I love myself, I contribute for myself, I pay gratitude to myself, and I love myself, right? This is very important. This is self-inflection, self-affection, self-love, self-gratitude, and talking to your own self, right? Look into your eyes and say, I love my eyes. मेरी आंखों में देखो. लोग कहते हैं ना, मेरी आंखों में देखो. नहीं, पहले मेरी आंखों में देखो. आज आपको अपनी आंखों में देखना है और आंखों में देख के बात करनी. Hope you understand. Can you do this? Should I trust you? You can do this or not? Are you sure? Very good. That's fantastic. So can you talk like this? Let me welcome the first one. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for, I would like to welcome, please give a round of applause for Mr. Rhythm on the stage. Now, come on. Abdullah, look into your eyes.
Rhythm, look into your eyes.
Trust yourself.
Trust yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Who is better than you?
Who is better than you?
No one.
No one.
You look right,
You look right,
left, front,
front,
back,
back,
up, down.
brown.
Nobody's there.
Nobody's there.
You are worthy.
You are only.
You are the boss.
You are the boss.
You are special.
You are special.
You're amazing.
You are amazing.
You're incredible.
You are
You're
incredible.
awesome.
You are
You're gorgeous.
gorgeous.
You're amazing.
You are amazing.
You're great.
You are great.
You are technical.
You are technical.
Practical.
Practical.
Psychological.
Psychological.
Great.
Great.
Patient.
Patient.
Strong.
Strong.
You should trust
You
yourself.
trust yourself.
You shouldn't.
You should know
Your potential.
your potential.
Look yourself.
Look yourself.
Body.
Fit body.
Mind.
Fit mind.
Fit hands.
Fit hand.
Fit legs.
legs.
You can walk.
You can
Sit.
You can sit.
Run.
You can rush.
Jump.
Walk. Jump.
Talk.
Speak.
Come
Talk.
on. Come on.
Talk.
Come on.
Okay.
Do it. Do it.
You can speak, you can talk, you can walk, you can do anything. Yes, you ever want to do, you can do it. You have a good personality, and you can achieve your goals one day, and you can do everything.
Are you ready to say to yourself that you love yourself?
Yes, I love myself.
Say 5 times louder.
I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. And I love myself. I love myself.
You stand here because you want to learn something new, because you want to become something in your life.
ध्यान दे. हाँ कंटिन्यू ये तो मेरा डायलॉग है.
Sometimes you feel fear inside, but don't fear because everyone like you. If you fear, then you cannot do it anything. Yeah, just believe on yourself and do everything what do you want to do. One things and
One thing.
one things.
Thing.
Think one thing.
Are you zero?
No,
I'll make you hero. Don't worry. Look at yourself. You look so smart today.
I think it's
Don't you look smart?
yeah, I'm looking smart.
I am look or I look?
I look.
Do you feel you are smart?
Yes, I feel I'm smart.
Look at yourself. What do you like in your body?
I like my eye, my hair, my body, all the body,
All body, my whole body.
my whole body,
My entire body.
my
right?
entire body.
That you have to talk to yourself and just, repeat after me. Hey, Abdullah, look at yourself.
Hey Vishal, look at yourself.
You also have to repeat after my pronunciation as well, right? As the way I'm speaking, right? You have to speak correct pronunciation. Hey, Abdullah, look at yourself.
Hey Vishal, look at yourself.
Look at yourself.
Look at yourself.
You have to believe in yourself.
You have to believe yourself.
In yourself.
You
You
have
have to
to
believe in yourself. Can do it.
you can do it.
You can do it.
You can do
Oh,
it.
do you want a glass of water?
Do you want a glass of water?
I will give you that.
I will give you that.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I will help you.
I will help.
I'll cooperate to you.
I will cooperate you.
Come on.
Come on.
Relax.
Relax.
Calm down.
Calm down.
It's all right.
It's all
It's
right.
okay.
It's okay.
Okay, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Relax yourself.
Relax.
Relax your mind.
Relax your.
Relax your body.
Relax your.
Relax your heart.
Relax your heart.
Come on.
Come
I
on.
love you so
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
I love you so
I
much.
like you.
I like you.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Play
Play
bat and ball.
bat and ball.
I like you.
I like you
Very much.
very much.
क्या very much नहीं?
Very much.
I like you.
I like you
Very much.
very much.
I like you.
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 I like you very much.
I like you very much.
Come on, tell
Come
me.
on, tell me.
Let's go to America.
Let's go to
I
America.
love India.
I love India.
I love Canada.
I love Canada.
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 Japan.
Japan.
Australia.
Australia.
India.
India.
America.
America.
France.
France.
Dance.
Dance.
Chance.
Chance.
I got a chance.
I got a chance.
I got a chance.
I got a chance.
I would love to dance.
I like to dance.
Look my hands.
Look my hand.
Fit.
Fit.
Look my legs.
Look my leg.
Fit.
Fit.
Look my body.
Look my body.
Fit.
Fit.
Look my heart.
Look my heart.
Sorry, you can't see my heart.
You can't see my heart,
But you can feel my heart.
but you can feel my heart.
Fit.
Fit.
My heart is beating.
My heart is breathing.
My blood is pumping.
My blood is
My
pumping.
brain is working.
My brain is working.
My hands are moving.
My hands is moving.
My hands are moving. My hands are moving.
My hands are moving.
My legs are moving.
My legs are moving.
I'm funny.
I am funny.
Look.
Look.
I'm funny.
I am funny.
Look.
Look.
I'm fun.
I am funny.
I am funny.
I am funny.
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 Funny. I'm funny. Hey, Abhiram.
Hey, everyone.
Hey, Abhiram. I am funny.
I am funny. Funny.
हाँ नहीं funny. होठ अंदर ले आओ. मारो बाइट होठ को.
Funny.
Oh, it's funny. I'm funny.
Funny.
No. So what do you have to do? You have to do like this. No, I'm funny.
I am funny.
I love myself.
I love myself.
I'm funny.
I am funny.
I like my family.
I like my family.
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 Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you.
Michelle.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, Divya, why are you choose Happiness Institute?
Why have you chosen?
Why have you chosen Happiness Institute? I have chosen Happiness Institute because improve my English
To improve.
to improve my English skills, and one day I will
do it.
I will do it confidently that I am a native speaker.
I will look like a native speaker.
I look like a native speaker. That's why I am here.
Are you able to look yourself or not?
Yes, sir.
Look into your eyes. What do you feel about you? Do you love yourself or not?
Yes, sir. I love myself.
Why?
I love myself because I am happy person and
अभी आप बात कैसे करी हो? आई लव माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई एम हैप्पी पर्सन. अब देखो मैं कैसे बात करूंगा. आई लव माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई एम अ हैप्पी पर्सन.
I love myself because I am a happy person.
You know, straightforward. Come on. What are the 3 reasons to love yourself, right? 3 reasons क्या है आपसे मोहब्बत करने का ना खुद से.
Okay. Like I am a very
फिर आके आपकी झुक रही है.
okay sir. I am a very happy person and I am a self-motivated person and I am also a well-educated person.
Well-educated person. That's a very nice, very nice. So when you look yourself, right, in the mirror, what do you feel about you? Come on, let me know that.
Like today I'm nothing to do, but in future I will become an independent woman.
And independent.
I will become
And only हटा दो. I will become an independent. आई से शुरू हो रहा है.
I will become an independent woman in my life, and one day my parents proud to me.
Wait.
One day
बात हो रही है.
one day my parents will proud to me that my daughter is independent girl.
Very good. That's fantastic.
Yes.
So Divya, I have a question to you there. Do you love yourself?
Yes sir, I love myself.
Really?
Yes sir,
Do you love yourself much or less?
much.
Much. Abdullah?
Divya,
No.
no,
You should not.
you should not.
You should not step back.
You should not step back.
Look into your eyes.
Look it in
अब देखो मेरी आंखें देखो अपनी आंखें देखो. देखो इधर मेरी आंखें देखो. Look into my eyes.
Look.
Okay, नशीरी
eye.
कितनी खतरनाक कितना इसमें attraction है. Look into my eyes.
Look into my eyes.
और आप क्या कर? Look into my eyes.
Into my eyes.
Yes, ये reflection है. Hey, come on, look into my eyes. Okay?
Hey, come on, look.
Look into my eyes. Hey, look into my eyes.
Hey, look into my eyes.
I am looking into your eyes.
I'm looking into your eyes.
आंखों में देख रहे हो?
Yeah.
I'm looking into your eyes.
I'm looking into your eyes.
And I feel
And I feel
you are
you are
confident,
confident,
powerful,
powerful,
amazing,
amazing,
fit,
fit,
fine,
fine,
strong,
strong,
special,
Spit-
great,
great,
dedicated,
dedicated,
devoted.
devoted.
I'm confident.
I'm
You
confident.
can do it.
You can do it.
Thank you so much, Abdullah.
Thank you so much, Divya.
All right, Korean Fatima, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, how are you? How are you, Muskan? I am so good. I am looking so good in mirror, and I am looking so confident in front of mirror. You are so attractive. You are so
attractive. You are so attractive. चलो ठीक है कोई बात.
You are so attractive. You are so attentive. You are so potential. You are so energetic. You are so friendly, and you are so charming, and you are so frankly. Everyone make you frank easily, and you are so attentive in your study, in your career, you are only focusing your career, and therefore you also come Happiness Institute for improving your English speaking skills.
Okay, that's quite interesting. So are you really practicing and trying to speak English?
Yes, I am practicing and trying to English in my home and coaching also.
That's great. So who is your better partner or the best partner for the conversation?
Shahzad is my best partner in my conversation because every day I will talk.
आंखों में उधर का ऊपर देखा.
Every day I will talk to Shahzad.
Every day I will talk या I talk. मैं बात करती हूँ या करूँगी.
I talk to Shahzad.
You talk to Shehzad. Is he Azad?
Yes, he is Azad.
Are you also Azad?
No, I am not Azad.
What's your faryad?
My faryad is nothing.
Your faryad is?
Nothing.
Nothing. When will you be Abad?
When will you abad?
Yeah.
When I complete my career, I will be abad.
फिर ऊपर कर लिया.
When I will success in my career.
Will succeed.
I will succeed in my career, then I will abad.
Who is suppressing your आवाज?
Nothing suppressing.
आपकी आवाज कौन दबा रहा है?
Nothing is suppressing my voice because I am confident and I am seeing nothing else. I am only seeing in front of mirror and I am only seeing in my eyes.
Very good. She is developing her confidence. Great improvement she has got, right? You know, it's a very good thing. काफी improve,
Thank you, sir.
काफी improve किया है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा है.
सर ये अपॉर्चुनिटी अब्दुल्ला सर ने मुझे दी थी पढ़ने के लिए यहाँ पे आने दिया जिससे मेरा फियर निकला और मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली इतना बोल पाई. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
All right. God bless you. God bless you. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Thank you so much. And now I would like to welcome. Please give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I am fine. Speak.
I'm fine.
जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ. मेरी उंगली देखो, मेरा हाथ देखो, मेरे हर एक एक चीज देखो. I am fine.
I am fine.
दाहिना हाथ है मेरा.
I am fine.
I'm fine.
I am fine.
अंगूठा मेरा उठा नहीं है. I'm fine.
I am fine.
I'm all right.
I am all right.
I can
I can
speak.
speak.
I can
I can
dash.
dash.
I can
I can
talk.
talk.
I can
I can
communicate.
communicate.
I can
I can
talk.
talk.
Speak.
Speak.
Present.
Present.
Okay. Are you Balram?
I am Balram.
Are you Balram?
Are you Balram?
No, I'm asking you. Are you Balram? Are you Balram?
Yes, I am Balram.
तो इतना कंफ्यूज क्यों? Are you Balram?
Yes, I am Balram.
Where are you from?
And from
बस यहाँ से देखो. अभी आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हो? एकदम यहीं से. यहाँ से बोलो. पेट से. समझ रहे हैं? कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
yes,
कहाँ से?
पेट से.
पेट से. राइट? पेट से नहीं बोल पा रहे हो तो सीने से बोलो. अंडरस्टैंड? आप बचपन से है सर? हाँ? बचपन से?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. आपको मेरी क्लास तब डेली लेनी होगी तब तो तभी कुछ 10-15 दिन में हो पाएगा. आपको अभी आप यहीं से बोल रहे हो ना, यहाँ से बोलना चालू करो. कैसे बोलोगे यहाँ से? पहले भी मैं, right? You know, you have to speak from here. You know, yes. You understand? So speak with me louder. हाँ मुझे पता है और यकीन है.
हाँ मुझे पता है, यकीन है.
देख रहे हैं साउंड कैसा है? एकदम ये. हाँ मुझे पता है और यकीन है कि मैं आपसे बहुत मोहब्बत करता हूँ लेकिन अभी आईसीयू में डाल दूँ मुझे. राइट? ठीक है बलराम? ओके. हाँ मुझे पता है और यकीन है
हाँ मुझे पता है और यकीन है
कि मैं तुमसे बेइंतहा
बेइंतहा
अपने दिल और जज्बातों के साथ मोहब्बत करता हूँ.
मोहब्बत करता हूँ.
और इस मोहब्बत को मैं गारे हिरा पर लिखूंगा. और ऐसा लिखूंगा कि वो पहाड़ भी हमारी मोहब्बत का सबूत और गवाह बन जाए. और इतना ही नहीं, मैं इस मोहब्बत की निशानी को वेनेजुएला में लिखूंगा. मैं इस मोहब्बत की कहानी को वेनेजुएला में लिखूंगा.
वेनेजुएला.
हाँ अरे यार सिटी है, शहर है. हमें वेनेजुएला कंट्री है ना, देखो उनको पता है. वेनेजुएला में लिखूंगा. फोर्ब्स मैगजीन में भी और द हिंदू, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया और हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में भी.
द हिंदू टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया
और हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में भी.
और हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स.
तुम यकीन मानो
मान.
कोई भी मजनू ऐसा पैदा नहीं हुआ होगा. कोई भी मजनू ऐसा पैदा नहीं हुआ होगा जो किसी से इतनी शिद्दत से मोहब्बत किया हो. आई लव यू सो मच.
Hello everyone. So, hello everyone. My name is Charan Singh. Basically, I come from district Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I live in New Delhi, Okhla. Right now, I am working in a government sector in a Delhi Jal Board water treatment plant. But my job is a private basis job. I am working as a pump operator since 2 years.
For 2 years.
For 2 years.
I have been working
for 2 years
as a as a pump operator.
as a pump operator.
Where?
In Okhla.
Okhla, very good.
Okhla, industrial Okhla
So what is the brand or what is the company?
of Delhi Jal Board.
Delhi Jal Board. All right, very good.
Hey Ritika, you look good today. That's not new. You are very calm and thoughtful person. So you enjoys deeply conversation and values honestly. You are very kindness and
You are very kind.
you are very kind and understanding person. You help everyone because of any hope that's they will also help you. I know you sometimes you don't like yourself because of helping everyone, helping anyone.
ये ऐसे एकदम लेजी सॉन्ग करके मत बोलो एवरीवन एनीवन ऐसे मत बोलो स्पीक विथ एनर्जी कम ऑन कंटिन्यू
I know you. सर वो भूल रही हूँ ना.
नहीं भूलोगी तुम बचपन में चोट लगी थी भूल गई
नहीं याद है.
याद है तब तो ये क्यों बोल रही हो चलो कुछ नहीं बोलता इंसान nobody forgets nothing
I know you. Sometimes you don't like to helping anyone,
टू के बाद कभी भी वर्ब में आईएनजी नहीं लगता है
to help anyone and understanding every one feelings. You also need sometimes that you also need sometimes that people understand you, but it's okay. You don't need to anyone. You are enough for you. You are enough for you.